good. That one I say my dedicated for the people of Mugamu, because today we get a powerful presentation for put the record straight for the Mugamu LGA, and we get sweet breaking news as far as the development where the Operation RPG, where we cry every day and we'll keep on crying till we end this trouble. Because it don't come for a time where we need to we give a talk. Anyhow, we want if they talk say we talk say me buy armament for a show. Yeah, now me I will bear the responsibility. If they want arrest me for say I say me buy RPG, so be it. So we will talk till this revolution end. So when you come, you share. Now I will say I play this small piece of Tiwara for Mugamu people, because me they come on board. Play the thing the day way we need to talk as far as Mugamu LGA be concerned and the other counties and LGAs, because we don't go around we know say, and as an activist we be loyal to the interim government and then you respect the Amber Peace Plan, you get a right for call any chairman for any LGA at any time, given time. You ask the question the way regard the LGA, how LGA the pool, because when we hear anything as far as any LGA be concerned, we call them, and since of the time we start, we never call any chairman. They give you a deaf ear. When they call, they always be open and happy for talk with we. So we now look at times we be very busy. Not because say this, because we go across all the LGAs. If we hear this one happen, we will investigate, we call the chairman, we call this, we investigate, so we get plenty in them for share as far as the revolution will be concerned. So now whether dedicate the small piece of music for the Mugamu people, say me they take their feature, they take small feature, they hold them, then they will listen for way I get up for them. And then we still get, as tell us, we still get the sweet news way as far as the development of the RPG be concerned. Then we get a message, a strong message you will send out for the mayor, the DO, and the population of Tico, because we get a breaking news from that side of the county where the DO, the one trying to disrupt the activities of Ambazonians. So the colonial DO, we don't get a meeting where he hold a meeting and wait where they talk to the meeting, and the implementation where they want implement them as far as their strategy be concerned. But we don't tell, we tell say as far as Tico be concerned, now Ambazonian government Tico. So we come, you share, we get plenty things that we talk. But before we want to start the topic for today, we'll just give a clue for which way it don't happen within the week. And which way it don't happen for the struggle as far as our boys for Grand Zero they be concerned, and diplomacy be concerned. The past week we don't see explosive, so we don't see our boys that we do especially the boys of the Bowie County and the Bafut, LGA and the Gwakutinga, and then the Mezam in particular. Mezam town in particular, that is our main town, Bamenda, going to the north, the southern zone. We hear Ghost Town, we hear Victoria, around my 14, this is my 4 gunshot, Lieutenant gunshot, and we hear the arrest, Kale, the appellation where La Republique de get us a name, they call it Kale. So no, I don't even know the appellation, what they mean by Kale, where they can arrest the youth at a random, because the name they say Ambazonian. We get fight our brothers and sisters away. La Republique arrest them within the week. Some of them say they bear the name Ambazonian, they arrest them. So we go start from the northern zone to the southern zone. Fellow Ambazonian, fellow citizens of the revolution, una good evening wherever you are in the kingdom of Belgium here na evening. So I hope say Grand Zero 2 na evening, because we get the same time with Grand Zero as of now. We don't see over the week we don't see success the way we don't achieve. Even though when success be like that one, some of we will never come for social media. Can't tell our boys, they say we don't see the work they do one. We give the 21 guns salute. I think say na error that way. We don't do it because when we get a success, we're supposed to come for social media. We can't tell our boys say we don't see one way they don't do them. 21 that one just be enough. They know say we deal with them in spirit and in truth. So we see the video coming from Ngwakutunja. We see the video coming from Oku. We see the video coming from Bui. We see the videos and photos from Bafut, and we see even for Mezam town. That's the Bamenda town in general, Abakwa town. So I want to tell our boys, they say, all this is not effort on the do all with the and some of you are there for groups. The way it be hidden, we get information the way we see them because some of them come where we no need to go for social media to go set paste on social media or put on social media for consumption. Some of the things they we keep and reserve for ourselves because the boy them they keep and reserve for ourselves. If you see anything for social media, others of man don't go put them or we did it necessary say it be for public consumption because some people in the way before they want move their money for gear and they ask say, but what did that body do? What did they do? So some people they believe say when they see the action for social media, it motivate them. So at times we gives the one they will figure they will reserve it. Plenty they behind the scene for our group, the people that they talk they know. Plenty they behind the scene where our boys them they do enormous work. The one they harvest, the one they don't drive that the public we see about for 7 kata. We see how our boys they do a marvelous job for 7 kata. Or where the Republic they abandon their camp where they run. We see all those things. So we give a hand of applause and 21 gold salute to all our restoration forces all over the northern zone. Say we did Utiwuna. The world draft don't start the talk. The world draft is speak for itself. No man tomorrow they don't come because some people they want see world draft. Now say we buy material, we paste them, we put them on Facebook, we tell Ambazonian people they say that will now world draft where will be contributor. Now the money the way we don't buy the material, now it is on Facebook, or we go tell they say that money where will be contributor. We don't go ground 1, we don't go ground 0, we don't go this, we want to buy material so that they go call la Republic now, they track we have to recover our material, then the world draft is fail. But now the thing in that way, people fail for no. Now the thing in that way, we know one do them. But the action, the talk, it speak for itself. Plenty thing in that way, we will not can talk with social media here, like would expose our strategy or materials. Where we get them. We get more than enough now. And you talk this one because me no better the flatter people. And the flatter people, I need the flatter people. Why not the can't flatter people? Then I talk say, move buy RPG, me do this. I need flatter people. The world draft don't start. The world draft it don't start. That one I need to talk with water from my mom. The world draft it don't start. We hear Mutengene. I heard the other day. Where they shoot on one woman. I say the woman been a internally displaced person who come out from. I think that the Nordics will come for that side. Military they shoot it because when our boys don't do enormous job, they don't go harvest, military they be frustrated. They don't get time to go, they go target na civilian enough for key so that they will inflict pain. Because I tell you something, the main reason why we military overkill our people because they know say when they kill one ambassador, they see the way we cry because they know say we love our people very well. So when they be frustrated, they will kill one. Or when they kill one military, they will kill at least 1 civilian or 2 civilians so that they know say in so doing they don't inflict pain too for we. They know say they don't back up because when I hear the talk with the colonial governor for Boyabito, every tell that woman the charity. The people they do that act. Now we are picking them, now we are brother them, now we are sister them, now we are family them. Automatically means charity. It means say when they kill any military, since they are picking they do them, they don't know them. Automatically they will back up for a civilian because that way the governor be talk for Southern Zone, the colonial governor be talk. Some of we don't take that talk like a challenge, say our mommy they be challenge the governor. But will not be reason the talk where the governor put that inside that very talk. When our mommy they say, it's a now them, they do the act, they say we don't know. They say we don't know. It tell they say now we are picking them. Now we are brother, now we are sister, now we are family. Now they do one. Automatically immediately. It means any crime where our boys them they do on top military, automatically, if they don't get military, they will get our mommy them, they will get our brother them, they will get our sisters them, they will get our family. Now the right talk that way the government will be talk, but will not be reasonable go in that direction. Some of we will not be happy for see I say our mommy they will be a bold enough for talk for governor the truth, but will not be calm for think the talk where governor talk after our mommy don't talk. Say now our mommy now our picking them, now our brother them, now the key military automatically me say anything we will do, they will away our restoration force do on top military, they will do on top we. So that talk we will keep that caption because now they talk in that way during after this war will end. Now the kind of talk in that way will take up for whole day because automatically the war will end and in the end for a victory and we will take all they will be in our captivity. So once more again, I want to thank our restoration forces all over the 13 counties for their job well done. 21 guns salute. We will see them, but we will reserve plenty. Because if we show someone the way they, if we show someone the way they were keeping for social media, I think say some people they will be happy, some people they will be too overexcited, and will be overexcited until people doing drum military can catch you. So we reserve plenty. We reserve plenty. We're not sure, but I want to tell you now, clean and clear say the word draft now don't speak. The word draft, it don't speak. It don't speak. You know, say it don't speak. It don't start. The word draft, it don't start. So now the message that I get time for talk for our people and as far as diplomacy be concerned in this revolution, I know everything against a movie called diplomacy again. For me now, I don't think about diplomacy again. Me diplomacy follow we. Me we will not follow diplomacy. That's what I think. Yes, because we don't fight this war for the 4 years now. And all the time we protest, call UN, UK, did this. They need talk back. Anytime when we make action for ground, we not hear they talk. Anytime when we make action for them, they talk. So if we not see the way the diplomacy they act, they respond depending on our action. They respond depending on our action. Indirectly, they tell me something. If we want to take our freedom, we will take them, then they will accept. Now, we action for ground zero. We will beat the La Republic, they go down on their knees. The La Republic are back, and La Republic go back. That one, now facts, La Republic go back. We will beat La Republic. They don't fit, my brother and sister. You don't need now a small courage. You don't need now for we to get a small courage. We do the finishing touching. We go beat La Republic. When La Republic go down for their knees, now they go start beg the other neighbor and say, I beg that fight on Trump, you know, will fit. Now the way we will succeed. But we say today we go strike for this embassy, tomorrow go strike. Well, but that one be fine. We just try to create our awareness, but we're 90.5%, 95% supposed to be on activity focusing on ground zero. Ground zero, where ground zero beat, no way, and we do one. So now wait till that way I say my topic, start the topic of the day, where we will start now with this breaking news. So we get them. When you come, you share. When you come, you hit the share button, because this program today will get even though the topic is short, but we get plenty to elaborate as far as the topic will be concerned, they short, but they contain plenty. Especially the last topic, when are the main topic. Because na he we. Now, what we need to know, and I tell the colonial deal where we don't get the breaking news. They don't want meeting. The deal for Tico, the whole meeting. They say now, so the government for La Republic, they don't get money again, and so any man get store for Tico go start pay per time because the coffers, government coffers don't dry, and they will implement that decision on the 10th of December, where all man go start open his store anyhow. They no respect the ghost town, and then they pay per time. But in that regard, some people they be object, say they don't open their store for money because money na ghost town. So the deal, if it tells you they don't get no option, so they don't pay workers. He said the government say you don't pay workers, you don't carry activities. So they go force people, they will start pay per time. Now, not only warning the deal, we want our civilians, our population, our people. We not say this war, we don't suffer a lot. We don't suffer casualties a lot. When the governor, on a deal, he can for meet when I say, may we not open a store. See, when you open a store one day, you feel lost if you don't invest the rest of your life. Now, one thing that we people know, just open a store one day if you say how much. Sometimes one day you don't say up to 50,000 or 30,000 or 100,000. But you lost investment. Investment when you don't start building the whole your life, you start building. Focus start your business. You lost her for even one day. Because you don't build the whole day. You lost her for seconds. Because when I don't see the activities of our restoration forces for FACO, and they don't tell we say they be at alert at any moment. And any man try to disobey the law of the land, they don't compromise with it. When I know so we don't lose people plenty for the war. The war in a war where some man will just show the joke. Like the people feel the joke because they don't feel the pain. But we who don't feel the pain, we don't feel go back. And we don't see any man who want to betray this revolution as of now. So I didn't warn the citizens of Tico, people they get the store. Say the decision on the talk. But we, the Federal Republic of Ambazonian, never give them the right to open store for Monday day. For Monday day. And the money where the deal, the axman, will not pay. If all man decides for lock his store, no pay, deal get no decision, he will bring the decision back. I will still respect. But if some sell out, when the things say they feel lobby with the CPDN regime, with the CPDN regime, for go pay back open store, we go visit una. We go visit una. And he talk say, if some regime, this enablers, because we know say enablers in the all sides, as the professor for Somaliland be talk say, they dey all sides even time for their own revolution. If una go back go open store, then una go visit the ghost of the land. Una go visit the ghost of the land. This one take me to, I forget, to another vital information where we always forget to pass for our people. And where our people, if you go fall into that cheap trap, and then tomorrow they decide to break. We hear say election, it come. Election, it come for on the 6th of December, and campaign don't start to go on. I want to tell our people, we don't need to remind our people time and again, say me no man no go outside that day for election. Yeah, but some people in the way they need for the singer every day. Some people, you know, say for school, some man they are slow learners, some man they are fast learners, some man they it don't need me keep repeating the message for ear every day. And we don't come like a reminder for tell Ambazonian people say that election. Now, it concerns La Republic. Election not there for Ambazonian. We will never pronounce any campaign for election. So any man will see outside for that day. We will regard it like a military. I know what way military mean for Ambazonian. We will see a military man for we, you know what we mean. If we are restoration forces see a military, you know what way it mean. So we take away come out aside for that day. Like a military man will come out for define our restoration forces. And you will face the restoration forces on that election day. So this one a strong warning across Ambazonian. Say election be banned. We not get anything for Ambazonian like election. We don't see the mafia where the slave, the white baby man calling the former minister, he go do for Ayaba Hotel. But we see tell and say if they no say now they own the land, why no go do election? Why no go do campaign for the village to Oku? If they no say truth now they own the land. Now because they hear the results of the past week where they do have Oku. He do campaign for when it starts. They start do campaign for hotel. When it starts. So I want our people to say if this minister them when they get gendarme, they get police, they get military B, they go for hotel for go launch election. It means say they fear that security. They fear security. You know say when they form our boys will take them. Our boys will take them. So you civilian away not get no protection, no nothing. Their own protection now will stay home that day. Stay for us. No come on you for us. You know, go after that day and say that day will make you your farm way you plant that chop. That day that chop must grow. Now that day will make that business interest. Stay for us that day. We don't want to catch any man, and now I don't know where they go on for Ambazonian. We don't get people there inside military. And I want to know that's a secret. I talk this secret now because it is inside military. And military don't even know. If they want to know, they kill themselves for know the people they give the information. We get people inside military who implant that they do footage the same of we. For Ambazonian they disobey. Because when military come out, after the military come out to see, military they want to come out, what they do, camera, they take people them. For saying we say, na this man so na this man. So what our people they say, we get intelligence outside to trap any man who disrespect the law of the land. We will trap now. So now the one that I tell our people as far as the election is being concerned. Yeah, then we go now for the Moamo LG. When you come, you hit the share button so that if you reach the ear for the people of Moramu, we learn and hear me very well. We talk the truth and we put the record straight. I want to tell Ambazonian people say Moamo LGA first. Now one of the LGA where I get personal love and I respect them much, and they do it in a way I like them, and we see for the draft, we see the way the Moamo people they respond because Moamo man I feel a proud man. Moamo man any player he being a proud man. So now why that way when the draft become, we talk say we want challenge the Mezan. One challenge them. We be talking one challenge them because we know so be proud people. Yes, and we do them very well. And I see talk again. Say the Moamo LGA and I see talk time again. He get money. We need to hide them because the money na money where all man can contribute. No, na some particular group of Moamo people. So owners of village. Moamo get 22 villages. Moamo LG as a whole, he get 22 villages, and that 22 villages now they contribute that money for that war draft. I want to talk this one, and see talk, and talk again. Some cabal, they do where they want to destroy the LGA. Some cabal, they do where they want to destroy the LGA. And if we don't move that to move, you go worry. I want to tell you, I say, some group is there for Europe. That group, they be been at 13 of them. I be there one member before draft. We be there for that group. 13 of them Europe. 13 of them for Europe. And that group, Scott Johnson, now be the security waiting for that group. Scott Johnson, when draft become, as I ask they say, but when I call as I say LGA. Now LGA this reform. When I talk say America they want control Europe. When they contribute their money, now America they want control. Now the Restoration Council, it don't sit, it decide, it give vote of no confidence for all the executives because they get mismanagement. The all executives get mismanagement. It will take a long time. I tell them before all the draft the approach, just a week will draft this will happen. The Europe will deny. They say they don't take care of fight about ground. Wait, they say they don't fit join Europe. I tell them say if I don't fit join Europe, me I don't dare me for two side collapse. I don't fit preach unity and the preach for LGA. They are within side of LGA where they need to one hear the name of our president. They need to one hear the name of our president is Excellency Dr. Samuel Sarko Ekome. They don't want hear. They say they be neutral. I say in politics there's no neutral. We start a problem with that group. When I become some posts inside that group concerning our president, there's this guy for Belgium here, they call him Afro Eugene. What will he do? He can post a post of ADF. So it be spark a query. So when I be tell them for that face, so we get ADF. We get ADF group people inside this very group. And that very people where he and Sikot, when now we contribute money, say me they fight ADF. Now these very people they go for back support ADF, my brothers and sisters. When it is spark query, I say okay. I start move the potential contributors. I tell you what to happen. I start move the potential contributors to that group. I tell they say, now look, now me I be doing one here for this group. Now me I preach. Now one come and maybe no say they exist. Now me I tell you that as now we don't form the LGA and LGA they firm. Now we draft. They say yeah, no get problem. They are moving the draft. They did that 110 or how many? Now them they want destabilize the LGA. And then nothing where they go on and say we get some group of people to where them now they want lobby for can inside now say me the because election they can see soon. They want lobby. So just at the year say some people don't hold meeting with them. How? When? How we start? People you know draft. People you know one winner. Marry no draft. He can control draft money. That means say I suspect because I may be too day for my tip to boya. That means say marry. They say people they be contribute for my tip to boya. Now they go manage my tip to boya. Now while way we get a downfall. But I don't tell they say I don't tell they say over my dead body. You where you not contribute where you not draft. You know if you manage draft. You will need to pay a CID. You know if you be like any mindset Mumu Mugamo LGE. So una tell Sikot for Finland say he manipulate already manipulate. Yes, they kill our fighters, they kill this. My brothers and sisters. This issue of ADF and this, if they talk money way, more people don't suffer a lot for contributing money give this same guy. But for a greater shock, now then they work in alliance with ADF. Yes. Now they work in alliance with ADF. And then some people, when they draft, they want to take them. Me they come. For which, 12, see, Moamo group, I tell something for people me they know. Moamo group, we dey inside group almost 300 and something participants. 300 and something. Moamo dey for aside no less than 2,000. You want to know at 2,000 something people for aside. So we not need 10 people because they say now one cocoa is spoiled at you because when you not identify that cocoa where you not done fine. That cocoa you not done fine, we put about achu. Now you will make that achu, you start get kro. So by the time you identify that cocoa where you not done, the other cocoa they done. When a bad cocoa, you say no, me no put that. You say that achu, you will turn kro. So automatically we don't identify them. We don't identify them. Yes, we don't identify them. The group for Europe, they need to respect the Amber Peace Plan. They say work on their own. They respect this. So the mafia. I want to tell more people. I need to talk this one go up and down. The mafia don't end because we don't discover the mafia. Yeah, because my tell what we go all people need to understand. The all executive and the top one now, especially for Mugamu people, and not say this problem. All man, all the LGA they face the similar problem. But my own, we don't get problem because the other LGA they split. Mugamu don't get problem with split. We get a problem. Some people the way they not draft, the way we over sack them, they won't come back. I tell you something. When the draft will go on, I want to tell you now, when the draft will go on, the all executive they will dismiss them. They will dismiss them because they mismanage, they embezzle, and the executive we don't want to discover and say some of them they work alliance with our internal enemies. When they dismiss them, they be the quiet. They be the quiet. Oh, okay. They say, yeah, we are not dismiss we. Musiawe we will succeed. When the resolution cast for Mugamu LGA, they should not elect, they appoint critical committee. The critical committee will manage the whole affair till time where election. Let me say they prepare a team. The team they will now manage from it will start from scratch. It start from scratch. Then now build up. Then now it will do election. Then now it do everything. They move their hand. Now the critical committee will succeed to draft. They draft no more. They do this. That all people the way they dismiss them, where they embezzle. They never ever give their audit. They never ever do this. Now they never back here. Now they never back. Now they go contact this. But I want to tell you, I say, when I look at a very hard rock, this small cabal for Europe. They do that. How many? They don't be doing nothing. I think I did. Contribute how much? They contribute how much? How much? One more end. You know, year contribution. Now they tell me it's an emergency. You want to say 500 euro, fit do 80, 200 euro, fit do 80. Then they want to cut it almost. Then they see cut itself. I want to tell you now, tell me watch the video. When incident happen for Kugwe, they come inside group. Tell the inside group they talk no man will talk about contribution. No man will talk about emergency contribution. Now so one guy from Europe called me. He said if I don't put my voice, even the chairman, he tell me if I don't put my voice into that group. I can't put voice. I think they say now emergency meeting. And that emergency meeting will not get too talk. Now the way forward and a contribution. Where we start, I say 100 euros. This man say 100 euros, 100 euros. See court, come talk, say, tell the important. Oh man, he used to say some of them contribute. Now 10 euros, now 20 euros. He contributor. Now one thing that we see. Now one thing that we see some of them show. Because he know the game they play with the ADF. But I talk this one, I need to talk about Ambassador people as a whole. Mugamu people because plenty of the Lord draft. They don't pay that word draft. They don't like to belong for the group. They don't like to do this. The other one here say plenty Mugamu people in the way they only call and call. He just send the money, no even care for know the politics where they happen to do this. But I want to give them awareness, because in all man will come a group for give it to the happy for group, because people they don't group they don't. Somebody will tell me say why I carry a team of group category. No, not team of group. Not team of group. And if you want to spoil a revolution, no, not team of group. I be activist, not team for group. Not team for talk and for ambassador people they aside. Me they start one the secret. They say you know come to hard rock. He know work. He know work. This secret of a guy. So the year says some they don't go lobby. Say some they don't go lobby. They don't talk say they go elect their own people. What? Which? So now the issue that to put the record straight for Mugamu. Now I go to fighters for Mugamu. The team of now never deny for work with any fighter. I repeat again. The team now, the people that manage the affair, they work with all the fighters. I don't think talk to the money na money. Any man get right to talk as I talk so. If you contribute at $10, other man contribute $1,000, they are level and you get right to contribute. That money for all fighters, for Amazonian, and all fighters they get equal right. But now you the fighter they will respect the people that contribute money and they respect the Amber Peace Plan. That's what it is. Clean and clear. You give money, you get command. You get chain of command. So the fighters will down when they listen to me. I want to tell you the fighter will down say, when I stay away for these people will lead to now play on ever can regret. And when I know the world can't end. The world can't end. Not be individual. Not be individual will take will leave your hand. Can go buya. Now LGA. Now LGA will recognize you. When I know so. When they give money for people them, LGA contribute money give them people. The people they call when I tell when I say na money we give lies. So the fighters there for Grand Zero for Mugamu all na one. All na one. They as una the fight as the transition they go for powers. Na so that they go. Una the military no get right or no who be leader. The only plan say the one meeting they go the way they want her. If you fighter, you shall insist. If you fighter, I want to do Mugamu. Any fighter for Grand Zero, where we must see is I insist. Say no, now the chairman will be. The chairman don't work with we. The defense chair, you know what work with we. We not be able to leave you so we not be go. 100% guarantee. Say that fighter get a mafia with that chairman or that defense chair. That they want to talk with facts. I want to talk again and again. Any fighter where transition he go for power, he make an audio. Say no, he denounce the man. He wants him that the man be. Una no say that fighter get a business where they be transacting with the people in power. That one a fact. Individual will not nothing. Individual will not nothing. So if the thing say before that man will come for renew the contract, or that man will come like a transparent something. Una remember say when Dr. Sako become as a president, he not be take it easy because of it. He began discover thief. Where people they be the thief. He began discover. Now why the people not work, the people they against him, they not work with him because they see transparency in him. They want to say, me the old man remain. Me the old man way he commonly still remain because say they know the business game way it go on. So now what that way I want to talk for our fighters. You know they're not right. When here say today, the chairman no day. You only ask now the next chairman. They do transition. He call say yeah, now maybe the chairman. He say okay, boss, you don't hear. Now they respect that for military. When you start denying it, make all they say did this because all the CIA some fighters them, the one who do that rubbish. But the war don't reach for the level where we need to take rubbish to again for fighter. We not say now the sacrifice in our blood. Yes, but we not go sacrifice in our blood at the detriment of other people. Because if we start disrespect people, they give them money and embrace you. The war delay now make now plenty people na kill them. When the war delay because of una, when the war delay because of plenty people of una. When the war is delayed because of plenty people of una, I beg, not call me where are they live, I beg. So when the war is delayed because of plenty people of una, we not go take it that way. So now the foot of thought that way, I get them. For talk for that one. Now we'll go to our main topic of the day, RPGs. And the good news, we'll get them as far as RPG is concerned. Una share my tell una wait the achievement where we don't get them just for the short while as far as we start crying for RPG. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, after we don't cry for the past week, we don't get a revelation say God don't tell we say we don't fight well, we don't succeed. But we end with RPG. And when I start the issue, I start talking and I say I will talk till the last day. Yes, we will talk till the last day. I want to tell you some small achievement where I don't get as far as the RPG stuff concerned. We don't get people where they don't call the stand like a volunteer for say they fit stand for do them. But me I don't tell they say I be launch I top the program and in top program I say I want RPG. I don't be editor. I don't say me any man where want buy RPG. Me go with LGA. Give the idea. You start support from there. I don't be talking I say we form a group. Money pass my hand. Money pass with this. No. I believe what to say. Money no fit ever pass my hand. We no come. We the activists for the internet government. We gonna only one person. One person will not give you rights. Say, if it comes with social media, contribute money, and water, Prinjeka, now you do the job. So if by so doing, we think say, the people think say, they feel do if you don't want to pass through LGA, water, we carry the project, I will talk with Prinjeka, we feel talk water, he carry the project. People they want support enormous because they drive the people they tell and say they fit do give any LG, do and give any LG. So now I say now a good idea. But for me, it not be pass through my platform in the name of money or this. But another platform there, like Pinjeka a platform, they fit do for there. Or still he do via LGA. Yes, he do via LGA. And success, some LGA don't start embrace them and they also work towards it. Some LGA those are embrace them, they only work towards it. For say them two more knock with table get RPG. RPG na for knock with table. I for knock with table get RPG. We call the sons and daughters of Kumba. Kumba the knock for table say do he want get his own RPG. So even though Kumba people stop on no one join the forum, but we see talk say you will be Kumba Pikin can't join your forum. Forget work towards RPG. If you like for go joke about Cape Town for December time when I used to go Cape Town. Now time this will come for you, you end the war. Now the RPGs,
what way RPG get for do? What will be the function of RPG? Because we need to say RPG. My brothers and sisters, we don't fight this war for a long time. And you see talk, I will see repeat so that me all we will go for bed with it. We don't fight this war for a long time. We need for enam. When you hear I be talk say, move forget about the diplomacy, international communities. We focus on our mission for Ground Zero. We will destroy them. We go destroy La Republique. When we form, when we don't know how to chess, when we walk in that direction, and we give a pressure on people because it not being a biscuit, forget everyone. It not being a biscuit, it need na money, I need a collective effort. You don't need 1 people, you don't need 10 people, it need na hundreds of people. For reduce the load. 10 people figure them. 10 people figure them. Why you now doing $1,000 or €1,000? 10 people figure them. But we need plenty people who come on board so that the load it will be reduced. Just take for example, you want to hear breaking money time. You hear say Prime Minister become for Ayaba Hotel. They launch the mixer inside. Oh man die. That one now a breaking sweet news for we. Are they breaking sad news for La Republique? Are they breaking news for international community? So they don't kill the Prime Minister and the one saying which mixer will use her. They will not say these people they don't go far. International community they watch we. They want to see our effort. They want to see our effort. As I will do them, they will accept. I want to tell you something again. Any country where win war, war crime they against their side. For their side. I repeat again. Any country, the war will fight them. The war will fight them. War will win. They don't tell you say, now we destroy La Republique, now we do this, now we do this. Now we will start to bring La Republique into their knees. Yes. Now why that way will they be succeed for win for defeat Germany? Now why that way they be nail Germany for cross? So with RPG, these people no will talk again. Minister, you know will come out for Yaoundé. It rotate, it can't say one can go Kumba. For which road? It will pass for which road? We will not take it for Fako, we'll take it for Meme. We will not take it for Fako, they take it for Meme. Petrol, where the tank can carry petrol, don't come freely for Douala, they go Abakwa. We will not take it for Santa, we'll take it for heat up. We will not take it, we'll take it. So, my brothers and sisters, we will give a come out massively. Embrace this initiative. Thank God, plenty people don't start the work towards that direction. I want to hear that tomorrow say it's an LG at a meeting. Now RPG. Because when we want to start with AKs, that's what we start. When our boys will be fight with the local sticks, we then shall group them. Now how we get AK? Now how we get AK? Idea they come. Now how much be AK? Listen like this. Now how this okay? Any man contribution. Now so AK second small. AK the second small. AK no be just come at one time. And as well as the RPG to not come one time. The idea now, who shall we get them? Now how we get them? Now how much? We look ourselves inside group. Okay, we'll keep and say a target. Now forget that. We start work towards it. We'll get it, my brothers and sisters. Before day one break, they don't say we don't use and I use them. We don't use them and I use them. So my brothers and sisters, we get for come together and end this war. Thanks una so much for watching.